Narendra Modi's popularity in his home state, Gujarat, is unparalleled. In fact, when Simi Pasha headed across to Vadodara from where he's standing, some people say he doesn't even need to campaign in his constituency because he's going to win anyway. Here's another report from our Election Express.
This is a city where Modi spent 5 years as an RSS pracharak in the late 70s and early 80s, going around town on a scooter. This is a place that he calls his Karma Bhumi.
Lok Sabha માં 20 વડોદરા લોકસભા મતદાર વિભાગની બેઠક ભરવા માટે.
It's this piping hot cup of tea that connects Kiran Mahida to BJP's PM nominee Narendra Modi. Kiran, along with Shubhangini Devi Gaikwad and erstwhile Royal, were among the 5 people who nominated and proposed Narendra Modi's name from this city. The idea was to showcase Narendra Modi's appeal, the wide range of his appeal from this BJP bastion. The small tea stall in Vadodara's Khanderao market does brisk business. Office goers and college students stop by for a quick cup of tea prepared by Kiran Mahida. But today, it's not just his sweet and milky preparation that's drawing crowds. The fact that this chaiwala was invited by the BJP's prime ministerial candidate as a witness when he filed his nomination has made him a local hero.
खुशी किसको नहीं होगी आज इतने बड़े प्रधानमंत्री के उम्मीदवार हो जाए मोदी जी जब होने जा रहे हैं और मेरे जैसे छोटे इंसान को प्रपोज नाम किया है तो खुशी तो बहुत होगी ना।
और आपको लगता है जैसे आजकल चाय पे चर्चा होती है मोदी जी की, चाय जो है बीजेपी के एक तरह से कमल के बजाय चाय सिंबल बन गई है, तो और वो चाय ही है जो आपको और मोदी जी को कनेक्ट करती है। इसके बारे में आपको क्या कहना है?
नहीं, वो तो चाय तो कनेक्ट करती है, चाय की वजह से मेरा नाम आया।
As we indulge in some chai pe charcha, locals tell us that they feel proud of the fact that Modi has decided to contest from their city.
सब बड़ा वासियों इतने उत्साही हो गए कि नरेंद्र भाई यहाँ बड़ों से फॉर्म भराए।
नरेंद्र भाई जी का वडोदरा से पूरा ऑल वर्ल्ड का रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने वाले हैं।
नरेंद्र भाई सब गली में जानते हैं, सब ये गली है, ये नाम है, ये गली है, ये नाम है। बड़ोड़ा पुराना 25 साल से पहले यहाँ बड़ोड़ा में रहते थे नरेंद्र भाई।
Inside the Raj Mahal, Shubhangini Devi Gaikwad tells us about how the royal family has always backed Narendra Modi. It's a matter of pride that someone who grew up in Vadnagar, which was once a part of the Baroda state, is today the prime ministerial candidate of a national party.
Our family had already extended its support. He knew that we are with him in these present elections and even the one before, and our very best wishes are with him.
Outside the palace, at a local BJP office, party workers wait for their star campaigner to begin their door-to-door campaign. Jeetu Vyas arrives in style in an auto rickshaw. He's greeted with smiles by one and all. A Modi duplicate, Vyas has taken it upon himself to campaign for the BJP's PM nominee.
वो तो आ नहीं सकने वाले, उसकी जगह पे मेरे को पूरा बड़ौदा कैंपेन के लिए कवर करना है और सब मेरे को अच्छा अवसर दे रहे हैं।
Party workers are confident that a duplicate is enough for the city and there's no need to trouble the original Modi.
खुद आवे कि नहीं आवे, ओरिजिनल आवे तो भी वही आने वाला है।
बड़ोड़ा की कोई उनको कैंपेन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है।
अपना गुजरात एक उनका एक नेटिव प्लेस वो बोल सकते हैं, घर ही है, तो घर में मुझे नहीं लगता है या औरों को भी वो प्रचार करना जरूरी है।
कैंपेन की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है, पूरा परिवार बड़ोड़ा का है उसका।
Modi's Vadodara campaign is one of its kind. The candidate doesn't feel the need to come out and woo voters. His supporters believe that without making a single speech, Modi is likely to win from this constituency with a record-breaking margin. With Kashif Siddiqui in Vadodara, Simi Pasha for the Election Express.